everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm taking your remaining month of February reading start from the 22nd through the 28th of February 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading. Charms will be added too, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's see what is coming up for the Libras for the remaining month time, starting today, 22nd through 28th of February. Let's begin. Libras. Six of Wands. I do see that you are enjoying some sort of victory in your life right now. It can be about love life situation, it can be work life situation, but yes, there is something that you have overcome. There is something that you are enjoying right now. You are feeling like you have succeeded in achieving some of your goals. It can be one goal, but yes, it means a lot to you, and it is definitely making you feel good about yourself. It's making you feel like, okay, fine, you have achieved something for yourself, which is going to be a good energy to start off the remaining month. Cards here. Wow. For some of you, you might have, set yourself some targets to achieve before you could pursue your love life. If that's the case, you have done that. Now you feel that you are now, ready to pursue your love life. Whatever that self-imposed block was, that once I get to this, then only I will pursue a person, relationship, connection. That is something that you have achieved. That is something that you have done. For some of you, like, maybe you thought that let me lose weight and then I will reach out to that person. Maybe that's what you're doing. Maybe you thought like, once I get my job, I will then pursue this connection, because I am now in that position where I can pursue this connection and be married to this person, take responsibility of the family. It could be that for some of you. For others of you, it could be like, your career goals were more important to you. You might have thought, okay, fine, let me get to my career goals first, then I will pursue my love life. You were putting your love life on hold, and now you are breaking free from that self-imposed block, and now you are ready to take charge towards your love life now. I do see slow moving energies coming up for you in your love life. For some of you, the energies could be reversed as well. Maybe it was your person's energy. Like maybe they had something to achieve that they were ready, that they were pursuing, that they were taking their time, giving their time to. Now they are now setting themselves free from the self-imposed block, and now they are coming towards you. You might start seeing some changes coming from this person. If they were not talking to you, they will start talking to you. If they were not checking your messages, they will start checking your messages. It's going to be very small change that you're going to observe with the person's attitude towards you and towards the connection, but it is definitely a positive one. A positive movement forward is what I'm picking up, is coming for you in this remaining month time. Let's see more cards here. Wow. Comes a new beginning along with that. I feel like, for majority of you, maybe you have worked on yourself, they have worked on themselves. They reached their goals, whatever they were working towards. Meanwhile, maybe you were, dealing with some mental blocks too. So if there was a career goal that was a block for them in this connection, maybe there was some personal goals that you wanted to achieve, and they were like your block, they were like a block to you. But both of you have worked towards it, and I do see things changing now towards this, as a mutual energy towards this connection is definitely changing from both the sides, you and your person as well. I do see, a new beginning is definitely on the horizon for you too. Let's see more cards here. Karma. For some of you, you might be, or your person could have been in a karmic cycle as well. If that's the case, that cycle is definitely ending. The tough cycle, the karmic cycle is ending, and then you are going to have a new beginning. I don't think that the new beginning is coming in this particular time frame, but yes, it will come through. I do see, like I said, you might start seeing some positive changes in this connection with this person, but yes, it's gonna take you closer to what you want. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Cups, Nine of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Chariot. Underneath the deck, we do have Three of Swords. I feel like, for maybe for majority of you, I would say, because this is underneath the deck, maybe majority of you are still struggling with things moving forward in your love life, in maybe other areas of your life as well. Now, why is that happening? Like I said, the person that you're dealing with, they are achieving their goal. They are almost there. They are, almost there to celebrate their victory around something. And as they get that thing done, maybe for some of you, you really have some mental blocks around the situation yourself too. Maybe you need to work on those blocks so this person could, as they do their, as they do heal and unblock themselves, and come towards you. Maybe you have certain blocks also to let go of. Now for you, I feel like, for majority of you, the blocks could be overthinking, sleepless nights, doing overburdenizing yourself could be the thing for you as well. Maybe your work has become so, maybe your life had become so. You really have to set yourself free from the self-imposed restrictions, blocks in the love life situation as well. For some of you, maybe your life has become so, you know how do I say it? Like, so suffocated because you don't have enough time to breathe out. Maybe that's the block for you. If your person is doing good for themselves and they are setting themselves free from the mental blocks that they had, then maybe you have your work and career blocks right now. Maybe you are overdoing things. You are, keeping yourself stuck into many things at a time. So it is like a block for you and for your love life as well. So for majority of you, I feel like, there is something that you need to let go of. There is something that you really need to start, giving your attention to. There is something that is not making you feel good. It could be your busyness, is what I'm picking up. It can be your busyness that you are, like, keeping yourself busy with lots of things happening. When you get back home, you feel like tired. You feel like, nothing is going well in your life. Why? Because you have a lot on your plate right now. So that is something that maybe you need to work on. Maybe you need to prioritize things. What things can you manage? Maybe you need to manage a few things, adjust your priorities right now, because I feel like, you really need that me time, plus you really need that love in your life, which is missing for a majority of you. When it comes to your person, I feel like, it's they are doing good and they are coming out of their mental block around the connection, around the situation. They are coming towards you and they will have a new cycle with you. For some of you, maybe you are the one who is blocked in a karmic cycle. Maybe you need to put an end to the karmic cycle and have a new beginning with this person. The new beginning is definitely destined to happen, but there are some mental blocks, physical blocks, emotional blocks that needs to be worked out. Until and unless that is done, it's not going to be, the not happening. Somebody really needs to put effort into that area. Now it can be you, it can be them as well. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well. So yeah, just pick however it is resonating with you in your situation. Let's see what the messages are. Create your own sunshine. You really have to, maybe this is your energy, maybe this is the energy of the person that you are dealing with. Maybe they are, they are already free from the mental blocks, from any sort of blocks. Maybe they have achieved the goals. Maybe they have, succeeded in whatever they wanted to achieve for themselves. They have done that. Now it's your turn to do the same. The universe is really calling you to work towards what needs to be done right now. Prioritize your life. Maybe you are thinking about other things which are less important right now, and you are ignoring this connection and the need to have the breathe out time, so you could feel fresh and feel that there is a space for the new person or the past person to enter in your life. You really need somebody in your life who can bring some sort of balance back in your life. Right now it's getting toxic for you. Why? Because you are keeping yourself busy to the dangerous level, which is not good for you. It's not going to be making you happy anymore. Maybe initially you were happy, you were busy, you were doing things and stuff, but then it's gonna start bothering you. It's not gonna, even if you are getting a lot of money out of it, you're still not gonna be happy with it. Why? Because you are missing the fun part in your life. So you have to create your own sunshine. You really have to make some room for the sunshine to enter. Just open up to the light energy in your life right now. You are too obsessed with a few things happening in your life and ignoring and neglecting the other areas of your life. You really need to do that. Success comes in cans, failure comes in cans. If you are thinking that maybe you don't have enough time for love and this is all shit and all, that's you making a false excuse to yourself. You can definitely make some room for the love life in your life as well. Try to do that because it's very important for yourself also. It's not about the other person. I feel like the other person is doing good. For some of you, it can be your energy, and the person that you are dealing with could be them who is not giving time to this connection, or who really needs to put effort into this connection right now, or find out time for this connection. Why? Because it's definitely affecting them bad. It is start going to maybe deteriorate their health as well, so that could be the case for some of you as well. So I do see that things will change, but yes, somebody really needs to heal here. Maybe you have healed, they need to heal now. Maybe you have healed, maybe they have healed and you need to heal now. So it will be different for different people. Let's see more cards here. Family issues and pressure. For some of you, you might be dealing with family pressures or family issues as well. Let's see more cards here. It can be your person as well. Maybe it's the person. This is the person who is having family issues as well, because they have a lot on their plate right now. So they really need some break from it. Follow your heart, let it lead you. You really have to follow your heart. If this is you, then too, and if this is you, then too. You really have to follow your heart. Your heart is going to guide you towards the right path forward. Karmic lesson needs to be learned by you or the person that you are dealing with. Then we do have talk to nature. Spend some time alone in the nature, be that going to park, beach, or something where you feel connected to the God that you believe in. That's gonna help you a lot. So let's see the other cards, and let's see what they have to add to the reading. Perception. I feel like this person here, be that you or the person that you are dealing with, I feel like this message is for this person here. They really need to change their perception towards life. They think that life is like the way they are living it right now. It's not like it's not life. It's like you are like a robot doing responsibility, family, this and that, and this and that. That's all. No fun, no excitement, no life left in your life. You really have to change your perception. This is not giving you any happiness. Do you see yourself happy when you go to bed at night? No, you don't. If that's your person, they don't feel happy at all at night. They need to heal. They need to understand that they need to change their perception around life right now, because they are they think that whatever they are doing, the robotic life is what life is, but in actuality it's not. It's just gonna bring them to the place where they are going to stay alone forever. So they really have to learn a lesson here, you or the person that you are dealing with. Let's see more cards here. Look at the bigger picture. You really have to look at the bigger picture. What are you doing, and then what you are going to get out of it, like whatever you are choosing to do right now, how this is going to impact you or your life in future. You really have to start looking at those things as well. Let's see one last card, and then we're going to take some charms. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. For some of you, maybe there's a lack of connection of you and your God, lack of connection of you and your supreme power that we believe in. It could be the case for some of you as well. For others of you, maybe there is like family pressure. Why? Because there could be religion difference between you and your specific someone, which is the reason why things are not moving forward. There is a lot of family pressure. No, don't marry this person, don't take this person serious, and stuff like that. For others of you, it can be other differences, like family pressure could be in terms of like social standings as well. Maybe they are rich, maybe you are not. Maybe you are rich, maybe they are not. So there could be like those issues as well in the connection that you are having right now. So try to sort things out and let's see what the charms have to add to the reading. So we do have two alphabets, J and F. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Then we do have lots of love here in this connection. Whoever it is that you are dealing with, there is strong love. There is a reconciliation happening. But yes, some karmic lessons needs to be learned before this happens. A new beginning, Ace of Wands again. So there is definitely a new beginning happening between the two of you. You both are tied already, like a touch button. Like you are stick to them, they are stick to you. But yes, right now it's like a little bit of resistance there in the connection. So but yeah, I do see things will change. But yes, one has to learn, because I feel like one has already learned the lesson, and the other is now in the phase where they have to learn the lesson and come out of it, so that connection would move forward. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.